Welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix this black and white screen with these white lines. So head to your settings and then type background, or if you can type faster you can type background settings, but you're on the settings so there's no need to. Click on background settings and then scroll down to high contrast settings on the related settings, and then you're gonna turn off the high contrast. So the high contrast, it is the thing that is making your screen black and white, so just turn it off. It will ask you to wait, then boom, as you can see my screen, it is back to normal. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video. Thank you.